Hello and welcome to Virtual Assistants for Dummies. I'm your host, Murty. In today's episode, we are diving into computer fundamentals for beginners. Whether you're a complete novice or just looking for a refresher, we've got you covered. Joining me as always is our top-tier virtual assistant, Sridhar, and our curious learner, Lavanya. Hi, both of you.
Hi, Murty. Great to be here.
Hello, Murty. I'm really excited to learn today.
Wonderful. Let's jump right in. Sridhar, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a computer?
Good question. A computer is essentially a machine that processes data. It takes input, processes it, and gives an output. Think of it like a super smart calculator, but capable of much more, like storing data, running software, and connecting to the internet.
That's a great analogy. Lavanya, have you ever wondered what terms like CPU mean?
All the time. I know it's important, but I don't know what it does.
Let me simplify. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. It handles all the instructions the computer needs to perform tasks. If you imagine your computer as a person, the CPU is like its thinker.
Interesting. What about RAM? It's another term we hear often.
RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Think of it as your computer's short-term memory. It helps the computer quickly access the data it's currently working on. The more RAM you have, the smoother your computer runs when multitasking.
That makes sense now. So, is storage like long-term memory?
Exactly. Storage is where all your files, programs, and operating system are saved. This could be on a hard disk drive, HDD, or a faster solid-state drive, SSD.
Brilliant breakdown, Sridhar. Now, Lavanya, does this help clear up some of the confusion?
Absolutely. It's much clearer now. But how do these parts all work together?
Great question. Here's the simplest way to think about it. The CPU processes instructions. The RAM provides quick access to data. Storage holds all the information. They're all connected through the motherboard, which acts like the nervous system, making sure everything works together.
That's a perfect summary, Sridhar. And with that, we've given our listeners a quick, easy-to-understand introduction to computer fundamentals. Lavanya, how do you feel about today's session?
I feel like I've just cracked the basics. Thank you, Sridhar and Murty.
You are most welcome, Lavanya. And to our listeners, if you have questions, send them our way. We'd love to help. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for tuning into Virtual Assistants for Dummies. Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with anyone who's just starting their digital journey. Until next time, this is Murty, signing off.